How to use free hit option of Fantasy Premier League. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use the feature of free hit on Fantasy Premier League. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the FPL application on your device and log in with your account details. Once you have logged in the home page you will see the option of More. Simply click on it and from the menu, choose the option of Pick a Team. Once you click on that option, you will be directed to the next page where you will see the option of Pick Team. Once you have picked your team, at the top before starting the actual game, you will see the option of Free Hit. Simply choose that option. But once you have chosen the option of Free Hit, you won't be able to choose any other chip. Choose the chip which is suitable for you. So that's it. That is how easily you can use the feature of free hit on FPL application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.